Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get images in Figma. Adding visuals to your designs is a core part of the creative process, and Figma offers two straightforward ways to achieve this. We'll begin by exploring the quick and intuitive drag-and-drop method, which is perfect for bringing in one or several images instantly. Following that, we'll dive into the Place Image tool, providing a more structured approach for selecting and placing your desired graphics. Both methods are efficient and easy to master, enhancing your workflow significantly. The drag-and-drop method is incredibly simple and fast. Just open your File Explorer or desktop and find the image you want to use. Click and hold that image, then drag it directly over your open Figma canvas. You can release the mouse button anywhere on the canvas to place it freely, or even drag it into an existing shape, like a rectangle or circle, to automatically use it as a fill. This saves you several clicks and keeps your workflow smooth. For a more controlled approach, the Place Image tool is your go-to. Access it by clicking the Figma icon in the top left corner, then selecting File, and finally Place Image. This will open a standard file browser where you can select one or even several images from your computer. After clicking Open, your cursor will transform, allowing you to click anywhere on the canvas to place each image precisely where you need it, one by one. Once your images are in Figma, you have full control over their appearance. You can easily resize any image by simply dragging its corner handles. To crop an image, just double-click it, and a bounding box will appear, allowing you to adjust its visible area. For optimal performance, especially with many images, consider optimizing their file sizes before importing them. This ensures your Figma file remains fast and responsive, providing a smoother design experience for everyone involved.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.